Hi there, my name is Dave, and today I will walk you through to our new version 3.4 and what's included in that. So let's get started. So first I will get started with new improvements in commenting features. So earlier you were not allowed to comment on entire block until the version 3.3, but in this version 3.4 you can comment on entire block along with the part of the content. So first of all, why we added this functionality? So because sometimes team needs to comment on the entire block along with the content within a block. So we added this functionality so it's more easier for team to just select the entire block and they can comment for that team. So let me show you how this functionality actually works. So for that, so I was referring this earlier, it was only allowed to comment on the specific content of the block, but with this new functionality, you can select the entire block and you can comment there. So for that, what you need to do is you can have your cursor within the content at any of the place here, and then after you can click here. If you can see this yellow highlighted boundary that represent the entire block, and here you can comment, and also you can tag your team member. So that's done. Once you click here, this would highlight. It's compulsory to save your draft once you make any suggestion or any comment within your blog. So this is how the commenting feature works in the entire block. So another one is multiple suggestions on the same content. So why we added this functionality? Because earlier it has limitation and there is a possibility wherein your team member wanted to provide multiple suggestions on the same content. So that's the reason we have added this functionality. Let me show you how you can use this functionality. For that, you need to go to Multicollab, need to go to settings, then you need to turn on your suggestion mode from here. Once you turn on your suggestion mode, it will show you your suggestion mode is on. So earlier when you provide your suggestion, it would only allow you to have the single suggestion, but now I can add more suggestion like in the same content. So if you can see here, there are many suggestions that I have added. Earlier you are not allowed to provide more suggestion. We have added this functionality to add multiple suggestion on the single content. Moreover, if you add something here, you can also provide the suggestion here. You can see here all the suggestions also showing here, but yeah, as many as suggestions that you want, you can add here. So this is how on a newly added content, you can add the formatting suggestion and all the different suggestion. Similarly, recently deleted content, you can also add suggestions. So let me remove this. And you can also add suggestions. So you can see it here. So this is how you can add suggestion on newly deleted content. Another one is you can add multiple suggestion in the caption of media blocks as well. So for this media, I can also add suggestion. So yeah, you can see here the suggestion is showing here. You can also provide multiple suggestion like bold, italic. So you can see here I have added the multiple suggestion under this image caption. And each time it's mandatory to click on the save draft to save all your changes regarding suggestion. You can also add suggestion to caption of media files. Another one is you can also add suggestion in custom, dynamic and reusable blocks. So let me show you how you can do that. So I'm adding here a few default Gutenberg blocks. Then let me add here the another block. You can see here it's showing the block added. Let me add here few custom blocks. Let me also add some dynamic block and the reusable blocks. I have created one reusable block. Let me add it here. So if you can see here, all the different blocks I have added as a suggestion. Once you click here, this will highlight the specific block suggestion here. And if you have also observed, I have added the suggestion, so it's showing me the green, and if I would go ahead and remove it, then this will show this red boundary around the block. So now let me go and accept all the suggestions. So for that you need to click on Multicollab, and under this review all suggestions section you will get accept all suggestions or reject all suggestions. So as of now I'm accepting all the suggestions. If you can see here, all the suggestions are accepted. Now let me go ahead and delete the suggestion. So if you can see here, the red highlighted boundary, that's showing the deletion of the suggestion. So I have deleted this suggestion. So if you click here, this will highlight this heading block. So you can see here, heading block removed. That's a suggestion that I have provided. And if I would go here in the Multicollab under the review all suggestions, and once I accept all, this will remove those blocks which I deleted. So this is how the add suggestion works in custom, dynamic and reusable blocks. Moreover, there are also few bugs and enhancement also included in the version 3.4. So I have added a link of changelog of 3.4 and blog release, which you can review and get a detailed information about version 3.4. Thanks for using Multicollab.